All right, Zoe. Zoe's got her toy. And I'm just getting my girls here. I got 4 girls here. I got one girl there, a girl here, a girl over there. Just give them a run. They're all frozen solid here, so take this old girl for a little spin ski. It's still making that popping noise, the exhaust. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. You want to take the camera? Alrighty. Alright. Like I said, just having some fun here. And Zoe, this is your spot. Your spot. Just looking for a little rip here. Is the lens all fogged up?
No.
Let's take a little tour.
I've got the camera like all over. I can't tell.
Are you filming?
Is that ice or is that just the... I think it's ice.
I think that's ice.
Ah!
Go check.
Okay.
Jayla's gonna go check if there's ice on the rink. We got a brand new rink this year. Beauty rink. So apparently we got ice. Is there ice?
Ice, yeah.
Sick.
First layer.
Sick, man. Yeah, we're gonna have a beauty rink here.
I wonder if we're allowed to use it.
Is that closed all the way there?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Oh, Zoe stole your seat. Check. Okay, here.
Oh. I'll still hear it.
Yeah, it's a beauty rink. That's a brand.
This is... Oh. Oh, shit. Did I just break that?
Yep.
Oh, man. Sorry, we can't have nice things. No touch?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, I didn't break it.
Well, yeah, sort of.
That's just to check it? You can't keep
No,
it on?
It should stay on. Okay,
No.
push it down. And left. There you go.
Okay. Do you... Wow. This place is so nice. No standing in the RV.
It's pretty damn cold today. It's probably good to get her out and get her for a good spin there. Hopefully you don't snap that belt right off.
Do you know what belt it is? He's telling you there was a cop ahead?
Yeah, I think so. She's starting to warm up. Decided to have some fun today. Guy's building a little
this entire RV and she has to be up here with us. Ow, Zoe. Jesus. I'm not being the best camera person right now.
Sis, she's got all this room. Just wants to sit on Jayla's lap.
She was going for your lap, actually.
All that room back there. Temperature's not really coming up. I don't feel like it's warm now. So nice, eh? Smooth ride, huh? For 1989. It honestly drives, can't fault my man, but
that's good.
You said that. It's never nice, eh? My hands are frozen.
Yeah. Mine are frozen in the gloves. Ooh. So he knows we're home. A lot of smoke around your van.
You want to back me up? Just go to the back there. Actually, no.
Straighten out.
God, she drives nice.
Yeah, you're great. How's that, Sophie? Chilly, eh, babes?
It's going to be some great adventures this coming summer.
Hope so.
Miami.
Hope stupid COVID lets us adventure.
Almost got her right in the exact spot she was before. Just going to straighten her out a little bit there. This is fun. This is so much fun.
Easy. of scares me a bit. Good.
There we are.
Whoa.
That's where she was.
Okay.
Beauty. Well, that was just a little fun video, folks. Just thought I've been quite busy lately, and not really a whole lot of time to make videos, but just thought we'd take the RV out for a little wintertime minus 25 rip today, and hope everybody's staying safe and stay tuned to the channel. We've got lots of repairs coming up on this little girl. We're gonna do distributor cap, spark plugs and wires, clean the car. We're gonna drop the gas tank.
Maybe check out that belt.
We're gonna check out that belt. We're gonna drop the gas tank. But all new fuel lines. You know, really the way this is right now, I don't mind just like ripping it down the road. But me and Jayla do plan on using this next summer and taking her on some trips. Maybe even go out east. Fingers crossed for some family in PEI. I'd like to take Jayla and Zoe down to PEI, visit the family. But we'll see. We gotta see what the COVID situation is like. We gotta get all the repairs done to this. So if you like RV stuff and you like my videos, stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be a lot of fun stuff coming up. And you Ottawa, Scotty signing out. Keep her tight.
Subscribe.